To secure your pinch clamp, first make sure that your pipe cut is squared and deburred. Next, slip your pinch clamp over the pipe, then insert your connector and seat it fully. Now bring the pinch clamp back over the connector so that it is between 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch or 3 to 6 millimeters from the end. I like to split the difference at 3/16 or 4.5 millimeters. Now seat your clamp tool here. And just slowly starting to crimp and positioning the ring, making sure before you close it that the ring is in position. And also make sure that you're closing it squarely. For example, if I'm twisting like this, that's not going to be good. So I'm making sure that the crimp ring is squared up both this way and this way. So starting out slowly, ensuring that I'm getting a good crimp, and then once it's snug, go all the way. Bring your tool all the way closed, release, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and sub for more.